So this is day 2, and this is the future me though. This is me after like 10 days, 15 days after. Yeah. So yeah, it took me a while to get all things sorted, and I got busy and everything else. Just excuses and excuses and excuses. But anyway, yeah, day 2. We were supposed to be out early for a marketing talk with the people of Marriott, because we just got this package from them to get to attend to this a package from them, and we had to attend this talk regarding marketing and everything else. But we got up late, so we were able to prepare ourselves for the talk, but it was a bit late, so they moved us to Friday. I just realized today in the future me that they don't have office for Tuesday to Thursday, so it's like Monday, like Tuesday, and they open office on Friday again. So that could be the reason why. Anyway, yeah. So at this point, we didn't have anything to do in the morning. We were already dressed up and ready, so we just went out and go around the city. We just have this good meal at Usok Pinoy barbecue. But just check out the video. I did film a lot on what we ate, but the halo and the liempo was good. So if ever you're around the Gold Coast, just check them out. This is not a paid plug, but I just like the item. That's it. I'm just saying, not sponsored. Anyway, just check out the video. It's all around the place. I didn't plan to do a good video, but this is just for diary and purposes like that. So just check it out. So we're out and about, and this is a small jetty up here. Good morning, guys. Say hi to Laura. Yeah. So we're having cider and enchilada and some tacos. Yeah, let's do this.
Very good.
Very good enchilada, yeah? Pretty sure this filo, Loipi halo, and Usok Filipino grill. So yeah, we're outside again. It's getting late. It's getting cold. Really getting cold. Yeah, that's it. Nothing much for today. So we're heading to Broad Beach, which is in 4 minutes, and yeah, there's the schedule, and tram on the other side just left, so there's the tram. We're waiting. It's kind of cold. Earlier it was warm because the sun was out, but now it's cold. So yeah, that's how it is. Mystery pack.
It says golden.
Yeah. Ooh, look at that. Filo shop, Usok and Noipi, Filipino grill here in the Gold Coast, Surfers Paradise. So yeah, just got something to eat, and yeah, I'll update you later. So there you go. So I'm back to this same location, and then we just went out earlier today, and then just got something to eat. Went to this Filipino shop or restaurant, or I don't know. And the camera, this lens, I'm using the Sigma. I forgot the name. Sigma 24 f2, and due to the low light, it drifts. It goes somewhere else. Yeah. Anyway, yeah. So we went there, just got some filo food there, and then went back. This camera's gonna be heavy. This is not working for me now, so I'm just gonna say goodbye for you guys now, and good night. And we don't have much for the vlog today, and it's not probably to meet with me again. This is so annoying. Anyway, just see ya.